The three super vegetables for the diabetic is green vegetables, green salads and green fruits. So the green vegetables, which really act like a true fiber food, which has lot of minerals and vitamins and antioxidant materials, which really helps to have a good digestion as well as control the gluconeogenesis in the body, and then the insulin levels will be maintained to control the glucose levels in the blood. So apart from that, the green salads and the greenery fruits really act like a active fibers and antioxidants, as well as the it has the less carbohydrates, so that the green vegetables, green salads and green fruits definitely helps the diabetes to control. Apart from that, you can have a protein food which really, like protein food in pulses or any other non-vegetarian with minimally required food you should have, which really maintains the normal. But the eating more carbohydrate causes increase in neoglucogenesis as well as obesity. So the vegetables, fruits and salads really help the diabetics.